everybody, welcome to Brickmania, and today I will be looking at set 573. This is a set from Prince of Persia, Sands of Time. Now I have never seen this movie, so I have no idea what any of the characters' names are. So sorry about that, but... Well, speaking of characters, let's start with them, shall we? Here we have a camel, clearly a main part, not really. It's just a camel, interesting mold, he can hang weapons here. Nothing really to say about this camel, apart from that it's a camel. We have this guy, he comes with a cape, and this giant samurai sword, and this weird looking armor. It's not the usual armor, but I really like it. And his face expression is one I've never seen. So, there. We have this guard. Also has an interesting face expression, and same helmet and a spear. This guy, I suppose he's the villain. He has a black, golden, purple robe and an interesting face print. I really like that. It's very intimidating. Here we have the only character I think I know the name of, which is Dastan. Dastan comes with two swords, and yeah, not really interesting face print, just normal stubble. Yeah, so that's Dastan. We have this guy. Again, face prints not too interesting. Comes with a sword. Yeah, but still pretty interesting figure. And these two, as you can see, one of them is a guard with a spear. The other one is, I suppose, the servant of the villain. But yeah, pretty weird figures. Now let's have a look at the overall build. I really love this build. It's really gorgeous. Lots of little play features. You can see here we have the gate, grand doors, and then we have two staircases. Then if we turn it around, here we have a throne, this candle, some... Sorry, I forgot what they're called. Some chalices. This jewel. Scorpion. Now, the funny thing about this jewel is that if you pull it out, it's a sword. How cool is that? Yeah. The thing I absolutely love about this is this, places here. Because that would be awesome for stop motion animations. So you can have archers shooting down. It's just absolutely incredible for playing. Well, that's all I've got to say about the set. Overall, great set. Out of 5, I'd give it a 3. So it's solid, but not awesome. Well, that's another video. Make sure to like, See if this video can hit 7 likes. Sub, as I said, we are